Okay, so this is shoulder mobility versus thoracic mobility. What's the difference and why are they important? So a lot of people will say that they can't hold the bar. So let's pretend I was holding a barbell for sake of ease, and they say that they can't quite get their arms back because they lack mobility. It's probably not that, so it's overcomplicated. Instead, if you can put your arms above your head like this, it's not shoulder mobility because I've got it up. However, if I squat and do it, and I come forward like this, that's not lack of shoulder mobility. That is lack of thoracic mobility, which is basically your upper back. It's like it's too tight. So what you can do is you can use a foam roller. Try and work on your shoulders on their own individually first, so I can come forwards and backwards. Work on the shoulder mobility first. And then on the next video, I'll show you how to stretch your thoracic. That's it.